Hello guys, welcome back to Godspeed. So I hope everybody is doing good in this quarantine. And in the previous video, I had showed you how you can maintain your car in this lockdown. And in the video, I had mentioned that you should sanitize your car and you should clean your car. So in this video, I'll be talking about what can you do to clean your car in order to sanitize your vehicle. So for demonstration, I have a pair of sponge and sanitizer, and I will show you where to apply and how to apply. So the exterior wash of the car has to be done with shampoo. You can see in the video over here. You can clean the car with shampoo, and in the water, don't forget to add 1 or 2 drops of Dettol. And inside the car, in the dashboard, you can apply the sanitizers. Like I will show you how that has to be done. So you need to apply it on those parts which are mostly touched, which include the steering wheel, the gear knob, the door handles, the buttons on the driver side door, and on the co-driver side door as well. And because in my car only 2 people go out at a time, so I don't need to clean the rear doors, but still I'll do that. Now I'll show you how you should also clean your dashboard, and I'll show you how you can do that. So you can put in some drops of sanitizers like this. You can put in some drops of sanitizer like this over here. You can see just small drops. A little bit over here as well. And once this has been done, you can also drop 2 or 3 drops on the sponge as well. And then you can take the sponge and clean it over here like this. So this is a very easy step, and you can do this at least once a week if you use your car. And even if you use a motorcycle or a scooty, we'll even show you how you can clean your car over there as well. So you can see this cleans the car really very nice, and you can see how clean the dashboard is. If I can show you the difference over here, so you can see the difference. This I have cleaned right now, and this is the old without cleaning. And you can see there's some amount of difference over here. And I'll clean this over here as well. Now you can see everything is cleaned. You need to clean it very nicely, and you need to take special care by cleaning. You can see everything has been cleaned now, and most of the dashboard has been cleaned, including the AC controls as well, because those cars which have manual AC controls, you need to clean them because you regularly keep touching them. And even this particular area of the car has to be cleaned. And once the dashboard area has been cleaned, we'll now clean the steering wheel, and again we'll do the same process. We'll take 2 or 3 drops, and we can put it in the steering wheel over here like this. And again with the sponge we'll rub it, and you can see the difference. And you can also rub it on the sides like this. Now along with the steering wheel, you also need to clean the indicators, the controls over here for the indicators. So most of the front of the car has been cleaned now. And if you don't have a sponge, you can use a small cloth, or you can even use tissue papers if you want. It is not necessary that you only need a sponge. And now we'll clean the gear knob. So we'll again put 1 or 2 drops on the gear knob. And again with the same process we'll carry on, and we'll clean the gearbox as well. You can see the gearbox has now been cleaned. You can see the difference. This is the clean part, and below it is the non-cleaned part. So this really makes a difference, and most of the part has been cleaned. And you can even clean this part if you regularly keep touching over here. And along with this, you don't need to forget that you also need to clean your foot mat. And now when all these things has been cleaned, the next thing to clean is the side of the doors and the controls over here, and the door handle as well. So we'll again put some drops over here like this. Again 2 drops on the sponge, and we'll rub it on the door like this. Doing this will make sure that your car is well sanitized and no virus enters your house through the usage of your car as well. And like this been done on this door, same has to be done on that door as well. And I can do it with this like this because there's still some amount of sanitizer remaining on the sponge. And you can see the amount of dirt over here because I keep cleaning regularly, so the dirt is still not very much. But if you have not cleaned it yet, you may see a lot of dust on your tissue paper or your sponge. And you can see how well this has been cleaned, and see the amount of dust over here. Now once this has been cleaned, we need to move out and clean the door handles of the car, and we'll do that with tissue papers. I have some tissue papers over here. I'll not spoil my sponge. I'll use tissue papers for them, and let's go clean the door handles. So to clean door handles, you're going to need to put 1 or 2 drops on the handle, and then you can take a tissue paper like this, and you need to clean it like this. And by doing this, you can also clean door handles. The same step has to be done on all the 4 door handles. And if I start to show the demonstration on all the 4 doors, the video will be quite long. So I can show you on 2 doors. And you also, if you access your boot, you can also clean the boot handle over here, the inside part, because that's the place where most of the dust gets pasted. And once this has been done, your car is now all clean, and you can use it regularly and only in case of emergency. By regularly, I didn't mean you can go for a joyride. You can use it only in case of emergency and when you need to use it. And you can see how well the dashboard looks now after cleaning. And the sponge, it has lost a lot of dust, and this is nothing. When I cleaned the car for the first time, the whole sponge had become black. So I would insist you to clean your car regularly and make sure your car is in a good condition, and stay home, stay safe. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe our channel for more great content, and don't forget to check out our website godspeed.in for regular car updates. I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Goodbye.